Hey guys, I am so sorry. Video 5 took longer than I thought it would, so this is like 5B. We need to go over the volume of a prism and it won't take but just a minute. So, you're going to have a question to ask you to find the volume of a prism. We've been doing volumes of cylinders and boxes that have straight sides. And so the sides are at right angles. They're straight up and down with the ground. So usually we find the area of the base and we just multiply it times the height. But now we have this pyramid, and if you can imagine the pyramid kind of inside this box, it looks like it sort of takes up about 1/3 of the box. And if you can remember that picture, you can remember the formula of a prism. I said pyramid, didn't I? It's a prism. So the volume of a rectangular prism that's like a cone, cones work the same way, is the same as the box or the cylinder. It's the area of the base multiplied by the height, but it's 1/3 of the size, right? It fills up only 1/3 of that container. Now we can get the volume of this prism. The area of the base, okay, if we, I forgot to put these numbers here, but if that length is, 4, and this length is 6, from here to here is 6, and from here to here is 4. They tell us that the height of the whole prism is 3 meters. That's the true height. That is not this slant height. It is the true height from the apex down to the center of the base. That's the true height. And that's what is 3 meters. All right, let's get started. The area of the base. The area of the base is, thank goodness, it's a rectangle. So all I have to do is multiply 4 times 6, and my area is 24. Remember, area square area. I just multiplied meters times meters, so it's meters squared. And my height is 3. Now I can use my equation. My volume is 1/3 of the area of the base, that's 24 meters squared, times the height of the whole prism, and that's 3 meters. Now, meters squared times meters gives me meters cubed. That's going to be my units for volume. Now I need to multiply 1/3 times 24 times 3. 1/3 times 24, that's like saying 24 divided by 3. So that's 8. And then times 3 is 24. Or you can think of both of these whole numbers over the number 1 times 1/3, and this 3 and this 3 would reduce. So my answer is 24 meters cubed. That is the volume of my prism. The area, the 1/3, the area of the base, times the height. All right, good luck on your test. Study, 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 and do a thorough job. Show all your work. Bye.